Want to start creating AI content and start making money with AI, but not sure where to begin? Then you need to see this. I just found a platform that not only gives you AI tools to create content, but also gives you opportunities to earn rewards, get more exposure, and grow as a creator. This is SeaArt, an AI platform where you can create images, videos, AI characters, workflows, and even digital human. Right on the homepage, you'll find tools for image generation, video generation, and SeaArt TV. So there's a lot you can build here. But that's not actually what caught my attention. The real reason I'm making this video is something called SMCC, which stands for SeaArt Social Media Creator Center. Think of it as a creator hub built specifically for people who make content. Inside, you'll find reward-based tasks, creator resources, traffic support, special campaigns, and collaboration opportunities designed to help you grow. So let me show you exactly how to access it and how it works. I'm on the SeaArt website and already logged in. This works best on PC, so if you're on mobile, switch your browser to desktop site mode first. Before we continue, here's a quick overview of SeaArt. Right on the homepage, you've got image generation, so you can create AI art and visuals straight from a prompt. There's video generation, for turning ideas into AI video content in one click. And there's SeaArt TV, which is more of a long-form video creation space, if you're building something bigger than a quick clip. From this same homepage, click Creator Center on the left sidebar. Then, once this page opens, select Social Media Center to enter the SMCC dashboard. From here, you can manage your content, track performance, and access all the tools available inside the Social Media Center. And this is it, the SeaArt Social Media Creator Center. Right on the banner, it says exactly what this is for. Create and share your AI content, join creator opportunities in the Event Center, grow with global creators, and unlock cash rewards, creative resources, traffic support, and collaborations. I'm on the Event Center tab, and this is where all the current activities live. Let me show you a few of what's live right now. First, SeaArt.Seedance 2.5 video creator mission. Create a video using Seedance 2.5, publish it, submit the link, and you're looking at 25,000 credits plus $2,500 in rewards. Runs through the end of August. Next, the X Credits campaign. Post content promoting SMCC on X, submit it, and you can earn up to 10,000 credits. This one closes mid-August, so it moves fast. And creative partner regular content posts. This is the long-term one. Post consistently every month. And depending on performance, you can earn SVIP, credits, and cash up to $1,000. This one runs all the way through October. That's just a small sample of what's available. For example, if I open this campaign, all I need to do is create a video about SeaArt and SeaDance 2.5, post it on my social media platform, then come back here, paste the link, and submit it. That's it. Now let me show you the profile side, because this is where you actually get set up. Here's my social account section. You can link Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and X. My YouTube is already linked, and the rest, just take one click on link to connect. Below that is your basic information, your name, country, identity, role description, and content style. I already filled mine out. This is what unlocks your eligibility to actually submit to these activities. Here's why I think this stands out. A lot of AI creator programs make you jump through hoops, applications, reviews, follower minimums before you even get a foot in the door. SMCC skips a lot of that. You register yourself, link your accounts, fill out your profile, and you can see what's available right away. You don't need to already be a big creator, you just need consistency and an idea worth posting. To be clear, specific rewards depend on the activity rules and how your content performs. This isn't a guaranteed payout. But the structure is there. Create with SeaArt, publish to your own platform, submit the link to SMCC, and you're in the running. If you want to try this out, I've got a link below where you can claim 5,000 credits and start creating first. Then head into SMCC and see what's open right now. That's SeaArt and SMCC. If this was useful, let me know in the comments, and I'll keep you posted as new activities open up.